Hey guys, Solomon here. Today I'm going to demo the WebSphere Application Server on cloud. This is the one that IBM offers through the Bluemix platform to give you the ability to easily and quickly create instances of the application server, whether it's the Liberty Core edition, the WebSphere Base edition, or the WebSphere ND or Network Deployment edition. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the Bluemix platform or PaaS that we offer, which is bluemix.net. Log on to the platform, and as you can see in here, I don't have any services of WebSphere created. If I go to the catalog up on top here, and if you type the word WebSphere, you will find out quickly the two offerings that are available. One is the runtimes, which is this is the one that you get to pick when you're interested in creating a Cloud Foundry or a Docker image with Liberty in it, or the one that I am going to demo today, which is the WebSphere Application Server on cloud or on Bluemix. So by clicking on it, it's going to take me to that page. Initially, it talks about the offerings available, Base, ND, and Core, obviously. You can pick the namespace, the space where it gets created and the service name that you want to create. But of course, I'm going to pick the defaults for the purpose of this demo. And I am going to demo for you here creating the WebSphere Application Server Base edition. So if I'm selected and hit create, and it's going to go behind the scene and it's going to create an instance for me of the WebSphere Application Server Base edition. Obviously, it's going to instantiate a VM and provision that and create that instance of WAS. So you can actually keep track of the time, how long it takes. And as you can see, it's very much done. And that really took under, 30 seconds or so for it to get created. Okay, so it is back. As you can see, you get some information about the time it got created. You get some information about what the plan is. If you want to drill down into the actual host and nodes that get created, in this instance, it's a WebSphere Application Server Base, so it's only one instance, one host. But if you do create, for example, an ND edition, obviously you will have the D manager and you will have the nodes that get created. This is the host information. This is the root user ID and of course the password here. You can show it. You have the SSH key and so on and so forth. It gives you, for example, the fixed level that it's on and the Java level that it's running as well. And of course the specs of the actual server that you're having, one virtual CPU, 2 gigs, and 2.5 gigabyte of hard disk. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how I'm going to log on to that system. As you can see, before I get to that, there is this download VPN configuration. You are expected to have a secure connection, obviously, from your desktop to that WebSphere Application Server instance in Bluemix. VPN, OpenVPN is one thing that you can do. I already have OpenVPN downloaded, obviously, and configured with the downloaded file. It's just as easy as just copying it into the config directory within OpenVPN, and that gives you the ability to open a secure connection, which I already have open right now, as you can see in here. So by clicking on the admin console link, you will see that obviously there is literally nothing different between what you deal with when it comes to the admin console on disk, on-prem versus what you have in here. Let me just add the exception to this particular instance. And now, as you can see, I have it. I can log on quickly. And as you can tell, there is no difference between creating an application server on-prem versus creating it on Bluemix. What the difference is, you don't have to worry about anything other than a couple of clicks. And now you get to do your work and be more productive than ever. I hope you did enjoy this video, and I look forward to more videos that I do in the future. Thank you so much.